Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of cleaning with the ultimate solution, the Microfiber Cleaning Cloth 300 Pack. These reusable, lint-free cloths are perfect for every cleaning task, whether at home or in your car, and come in a convenient bulk pack with 5 assorted colors. Crafted from 87% polyester and 13% polyamide, these 12 by 12 inch towels boast a 200 GSM microfiber construction, making them super absorbent and quick drying, ideal for tackling moisture, dirt, and grime effortlessly. The ultra-soft, non-abrasive texture ensures a scratch-free experience on surfaces, paint, glass, and coatings, leaving everything spotless without a trace. Plus, they're designed for longevity, allowing you to wash and reuse them hundreds of times without worrying about shrinking or losing effectiveness, saving you both time and money. Unlike other microfiber towels with stiff edges, these towels feature high-quality fabric and sewn edges for a soft, scratch-free feel, making maintenance and use a breeze. So, if you're looking for a reliable, multi-purpose cleaning solution, these microfiber towels are the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.